Welcome, dear friends, to a cozy exploration of our favorite vegetarian comfort food recipes. Today we'll delve into the world of hearty, soul-satisfying dishes that are both vegetarian-friendly and utterly delicious. Prepare to embark on a delicious journey filled with warmth, nostalgia, and hearty vegetarian dishes. Comfort food holds a special place in our hearts, doesn't it? It's more than just nourishment. It's about memories, traditions, and a sense of home. And believe it or not, vegetarian comfort food can evoke the same feelings, offering a symphony of flavors that not only satisfy our taste buds, but also warm our souls. Now let's dive into the heart of our video, our favorite vegetarian comfort food recipes. First up, our classic mac and cheese. It's all about the creamy, cheesy goodness, combined with the heartiness of whole grain pasta. Next, we have the robust vegetarian chili. This dish is a symphony of beans, veggies, and spices, simmering together to create a hearty, soul-warming meal. Moving on to our creamy tomato soup paired with grilled cheese. This timeless duo brings together the rich, velvety tomato soup and the crispy, gooey grilled cheese. It's a match made in comfort food heaven. Lastly, we have the vegetarian shepherd's pie. This dish is a savory medley of vegetables and lentils, topped with fluffy mashed potatoes, baked to perfection. These recipes are not just about the taste, they're about the experience and the joy of making and sharing them. We've explored the delicious world of vegetarian comfort food, but the journey doesn't end here. We've discovered how comforting mac and cheese, hearty chili, and creamy tomato soup can be, all without meat. Now it's your turn. Take these recipes, add your unique touches, and make them your own. We'd love to hear about your experiences and variations, so don't hesitate to share in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. We hope you find as much joy in these vegetarian comfort food dishes as we do. Until next time, stay cozy and keep cooking.